Hi, it's Emily from WTI. This is the USB-C dual charger from Scotch. And if there's one thing that I hate, it's waiting around for my phone to charge. And that's why I love this super fast charger from Scotch. This is a USB-C dual port charger. Now, everything is going USB-C. I have a new phone coming and it's only going to take USB-C. I know. We're always having to change how we charge things, but USB-C is the way of the future, and this charger will get you there. Things I love about this charger is that there is a light so you know when it's charging and when it has power. It charges super fast, so it can get to like 70% charge from 0 within 30 minutes, which is awesome. And it's got features so that it doesn't overheat or overcharge less powerful devices. This works with a wide range of compatible devices. Since my husband and I both have a new phone, I'm super excited that this has 2 ports so that we can both be charging really fast in the car on the go. This is a fast, reliable, and safe car charger. And you know what? I'm here for all those things. It's important to have simple, functional tools in our life that do what they need to do, and this fits the bill. I'm really happy with this USB-C charger, and I think you will be too. And that's my point of view.